President Bola Tinubu has pledged to promote the rule of law, adhere to the principles of separation of powers, and tolerate dissenting views within the ambit of the laws of Nigeria. Tinubu, represented by the Vice President Kashim Shettima, made the pledge when he declared open the annual General Conference of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) in Lagos. He urged Nigerians to join hands with his administration in resolutely working towards a Nigeria of everybody's dream. Tinubu restated his administration's commitment to continue making the welfare of the judiciary a top priority of his administration.
Let me assure you that this administration will continue to promote the rule of law, adherence to the principles of separation of powers, and tolerance of dissent within the bounds of the law. While I acknowledge the temporal existence of some daunting challenges besetting us as a nation, I want to assure you that this government is poised to address all the developmental challenges facing this country, and be rest assured that in the fullness of time, this nation shall overcome. I want to assure the learned members of the bench and the bar that this government will continue to accord top priority to the welfare of the judiciary, to ease avoidable burden on their lordships, and speed up the adjudicatory process, which is a sine qua non for social order and economic development.
Earlier, the Director General, World Trade Organization (WTO), Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, said efforts must be made towards accelerating growth and development as Nigeria has all it takes to succeed. In her keynote address, titled A Social Contract for Nigeria's Future, she regretted that Nigeria was not progressing as much as it should in its over 60 years of existence.
But it is never too late to do the right thing. Instead of fighting over who gets what share of an ever smaller cake, it's about time this country had a meeting of all parties to agree a social contract that can help us focus on baking a larger cake. Some of what we need to implement as part of the social contract has been done in past administrations, as I mentioned earlier, and some of it is being implemented in this present administration. But we cannot approach the social contract in a piecemeal fashion, a bit here and a bit there. It must be approached holistically, systematically, and consistently in order for it to work.
The president of the NBA gave the assurance that the bar would continue to work for the cause of justice in the country.
That the existence of this country, or our existence as a people, is intricately connected with our responsibilities as members of the legal profession.
The conference also featured the launch of a book titled History of the Nigerian Bar Association, written by a Nigerian lawyer, Olarewaju Akinshola.